the one right there. Nice. Hey, what year is that thing? 87? How much boost are you running? You don't know? You just, oh, your secret, eh? This thing's awesome. Good, yourself? Hey, what's up, guys?
Bring him across and tune your entire system.
Yeah, that's the one. I asked him how much boost he's running. He didn't answer.
Can you imagine though, he had an NSRT motor in there?
Right.
Yeah, my 2 liters got a 2.7 blower on it.
Yeah, right?
I don't think it would run that blower actually.
No?
No, because I think it requires 120 horsepower to turn the blowers on those.
Oh, yeah.
2 liters, 135 horse. Single over anyway. That's just 7.4, 2 over 150.
There's a kettle bringing the phone. All of us, we gotta go. Yeah, that's what I asked. That's why I asked how much he's boosted. He wouldn't tell me though.
Shadow's pushing 18 pounds of boost.
That's why you didn't say anything.
Oh, fuck, he makes his own ECUs.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's how you keep those going.
That's insane.
Wow.
Enjoy the show, guys. Good seeing you. See you later, bro. Oh, yeah, cheers.
I gotta get a flyer for that. So I want to see his.
He's got